Hello viewers, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make milk powder peda. So now I am taking 2 spoons of ghee, add half cup of milk, now add 1 cup of milk powder, stir well without lumps. Now I am adding half cup of sugar. Okay. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Until it has become thick. Now you can take this into bowl. Let it cool down. Okay. After cool down, it has become thick. Okay. Now apply ghee on your palms. Next, okay. Now make it like a balls. Okay. Do the same. Now press on the middle just like this. Okay. Do the same for all. Just finally I am garnishing with the badam on the middle. Okay. Okay, ready.